Welcome back to our first car camping experience vlogs. We're at Huntington Beach State Park, and we already have 3 vlogs up prior to this one. Time to explore in the Hammock Shops Village, home of the original Pawleys Island rope hammock. And it just looks adorable down. Oh my God. I thought that said adorable. It says affordables. So it's so cute down here. Oh, look, Cherie, the Christmas mouse. She was just telling us about that. Which Gatlinburg has one of those. But just look at all these. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty back here. Lots of parking. And just look at how quaint. But we're going to just start at the store in the very back corner. It is Unique Gift Shop. Stella and Remy. And they have pecans. That's the funniest thing I've seen all day. It's a liquor bar, hun. I love it. Oh, honey, leave your umbrella right there. Oh, that's cool, that frog. It makes noise.
It's one of the only one we had. Yeah? That looks like a hospital up there.
Oh, I love the little mice. They're expensive though. Okay, this is brilliant. A self-standing umbrella. $28.99. That's awesome. Wine tasting room, luxury lotion and candles. I don't know, that sounds expensive. We'll keep going. They have some historical buildings. The original hammock shop, the schoolhouse, the Waverly building, the hammock factory, and the tobacco barn. Oh, which that is right over here because that got my attention when we came in. Cornhole for a pretty day. Not much going on today because it's been so windy and yucky. Tom bought a card at the last store. See, even the squirrels are getting in out of the rain. Oh, he has a little treat. He's like, I'm going under the porch to eat where I won't get wet. Wow. Was not expecting this. This is in the Norway Pavilion at Epcot. So the general store here had a lot of merch that you can find at Cracker Barrel and Buc-ee's. So it looks like the old tobacco barn turned into the Christmas mouse. Oh, what's over here? Let's go check out the map. Huh. See? Pretty big area. Even have a dog walk area. Since you got 2 little eating places here. Oops. You've got tables.
Like on the side says open, but the side
I know. It says closed. The juice bar. I might have even got something from the juice bar. Ooh, the candy cottage. Oh, the old schoolhouse. Okay, we'll head over there. Let's see. Candy Cottage and the Mercantile. So, hello. Hi. What? Hello. The press penny machine. What do we have here? What? Do I like any of these? Oh, just one that says Pawleys Island, the turtle, the candy shop. Ooh. I can't decide between these two. You know what? It's on this one. I think I'm getting the turtle. Oh, how much is the actual book? Doesn't say anything. Oh no, we're getting ready to get a penny.
You gotta really like pennies to watch these vlogs.
There we go.
And there it is.
Yeah, well, that's a nice one. Okay. So that was pretty long, and now we're hitting the hammocks over here. Where you going, hon? Oh, gotcha. I forgot he left the umbrella at the other door. They make you keep stick your umbrellas in little buckets outside the stores, which totally makes sense because most of them are hardwoods. The original hammock shop. The pill is $84. Oh my! You want to take a guess at how much this cost? Not including the pillow. No. Huh? Yeah. $8.99. So this is $2.70.
Just the basic camera.
Yeah, with nothing on it. Like these, they're all natural, but this little one is $1 more than this one. Wow, check out this floor and this fireplace. Ah, since 1889.
You are my sunshine on a rainy day. You are the one who takes my breath away. In the vast skies of love, I'm free. As long as you're here with me.
The mineral gallery was the schoolhouse. It was built prior to 1850 and located at Waverly Plantation. The building was moved to its present location in 1970. It was the only school available on Lower Waccamaw Neck and operated until early 1920s. Entered Pawleys Island Historic District. We just want to go up to the water real quick. I'm holding my hat. Save our turtles. Please fill in your beach holes. Don't leave chairs or tent. Clean up after your pet. Oh, I like this. This is nice. Feels funky under your feet, but it's really nice.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh my gosh, there's a guy out there.
Seriously?
Oh my gosh.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
That's not safe. And he's out there by himself, like there's nobody else.
Nobody's here.
That would be the surfer mentality, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That is crazy, nasty,
Okay, this will be fun. Beach terminology question for my wife here. Up on top of that light blue house over there.
Widow's Peak.
Close. I'm very good. Widow's Peak would be like,
Widow's Walk.
I'm impressed.
All right. Let's head back to the vehicle. So it is already 4:14. I thought we would be back like in the tent reading at this point. Like we never have enough time to get everything done that we want to do. Got a little birdhouse. Like, what is this? Huh. So all of these are doing fine. And this one actually has a little sign that says keep out, because think of the movie Speed when the highway just all of a sudden ends. That's what I'm envisioning right now. Loving the manatee mailbox. Like, he just makes you smile. And this is Town Hall for Pawleys Island, Jack Bland Building. The Shack. The original building was the real estate office. Mayor Jack Bland, with assistance from others, remodeled the building, officially the Town Hall, an information center, and affectionately called it The Shack. It is absolutely tiny and adorable. We're headed over to read this historical marker and put into better perspective of how like cute and tiny this is. Sign moved from old post office, Highway 17. And then on the other side, oh my gosh. That's, oh, the water is all the way up to the front of that building. Okay, very excited about this.
You want to stop?
You think? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Pawleys Island House of Worship. It survived Hazel and Hugo. Hugo actually flooded it, but it survived. Oh my gosh. A church on water. Worship, 10 a.m. Oh, that's like frosted glass we can't see. An appreciation of Nancy and Linwood Outman, who with God's guiding hand served of others at this chapel. Aw, man. Nope, can't see a thing. Wow. Oh, yeah, somebody's out there. Oh, I tripped over the rock, and I knew the rock was there. I guess this is the like little parking lot for it.
It's the biggest parking lot I've seen around here.
Yep.
It's the only one. Well, no, we have it.
So the causeway was built between January 1845 and November 1846 by Robert Francis Withers Alston, who owned a summer residence on Pawleys Island, known as Governor's Alston's Bank. It connected the island to the mainland. Okay, you.
Trespassing, y'all.
This is awesome. And there's the historical marker. What was this? Pelican Inn. Let's see. The governor obtained land here in 1844, and by 1858 had built this beach residence. The house was sold to the Atlantic Coast Lumber Company in 1901. Ooh. And then employees could vacation here, and they called it the Pelican Inn. So we're just like
Another one.
That's what I just said. Another one.
Well,
There's
no,
just and then another one. There's just placards all down this road. All Saints Summer Parsonage and the Rectory. House was built in 1848. And then this one, wow, that is under repair right now. Liberty Lodge, Ward House. When sold to Cornelia Enrich, who named it Liberty Lodge. Ownership still in the family. Wow. All right, now better view here. What's back there? So Bird's Nest Park, and night, sleep tight, don't let the skeeters bite. A little bench, and kind of like a giant bird's nest. You can rent this one, and it is the Lemon House, built on 10 acres of beach land by 1858. Successful rice planters, according to local tradition. The two small dwellings here were slave cabins. And additions have been made through the years. Yeah, this one's pretty big. Looks a little chopped up, like the additions and stuff. Wow, but look at that. History, people, history. And then we have the opposite angle. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Angle for the Pelican. Look, they used to have a sign right there. The Pelican Inn. We've decided local independent pizza place for dinner. It's 5:12. I'm really glad we decided to eat here. You want to know why? Because in the kitchen, behind the counter, that's where you order first, by the way, guys, and then they bring you the food, was multi-generations of just a family. This is family. There was did you see the little girl? She was about three or four back there with her grandmother. Then the teenagers working. You could hear the dad in the background. Like, I'm so glad we chose this. Tom chose manicotti, and I got eggplant parmesan. Now that is a sign of hot, fresh food. And actually, mine was doing the same thing. Look, mine's doing the same thing. Now, see that? Oh, yeah. The food was good. The sauce was good.
Yeah.
The restaurant was clean. The bathrooms were clean. Would definitely come back here.
Yeah, and you know, it was highly cost effective too for what you get. And it was good. Good food, it was quick service, pleasant service, good stuff. And we may not be the biggest eaters, but we're full and there is plenty for second dinner.
Okay, this is pretty cool. You can tell it's an old motel and it's just been reclaimed. I mean, just look at these magnificent trees. I wonder what's like on the other side. Oh, okay. I see there's a couple of higher windows. This is so... I mean, I don't know. There's something else back there. Like, way back there is something. Maybe. When I got back in the vehicle, I sent a picture to my friend Cherie and James, who doesn't live far from this property, and they were able to tell me that it was the Magnolia Beach Club. The property was used as a small black beach club and resort that started in the early 1930s, where many famous musicians like Ray Charles, Billie Holiday, Little Richard, and many other black entertainers from that era used to play. Unfortunately, most of the buildings and beach were destroyed by Hurricane Hazel in 1954. When we left, the flag was yellow. Now it's red.
And we were going to go surfing tonight.
Oh my gosh, he's so full of it. Oh my goodness. So we're actually in an area that we didn't go to yesterday. We're just kind of exploring since it stopped raining. Tomorrow we're actually going to walk to around some of the, we'll call them attractions, here at Huntington State Park. And exploring something for the first time is really neat because it's like we have no idea what's around this corner.
Kind of like Space Mountain.
Yeah.
You have no idea what's around the next corner or when it's coming.
Oh. So, a little view of kind of where we are. Wow, I had no idea it went back this far. Wow. We just love the trees in this area. But man, it sure does flood easily. And we're coming up on a building that we have no idea what it is. Maybe it's nothing more than bathrooms.
Sounds like a fair guess.
Yeah. And the end of the road.
Fair assessment.
It is bathrooms. Ooh, there's a picnic area. Sandpiper Pond, Nature Trail. Well, there's a little bridge. We could walk to that little bridge and that's it. Then you can see the water. That will do. And then North Beach access is that way. And I can't quite see how far. Oh, not too far. Alright, so just public parking for the beach access, basically.
Wonder why it's not.
Wow, look at that tree. My gosh, there's a tree in tree limbs over there. Like a tree is in the tree sideways. That's a really cool tree. shelter picnic area. We got an Eagle Scout project. All right, let's go take a look. You know, I'm kind of understanding kind of why the sites are kind of expensive here. There's really a lot to do if you sit there and think about. Now there's a nature center on property, all these trails, shell crafts. They have $9 an hour for a lifeguard. Oh, look at all these activity. They had a cool birds of prey day on the 6th. And so today's the 12th. No, today's the 11th. Oh, tomorrow's turtle time's out. Turtle will be gone by 4. This is really neat. Okay. Let's walk over this little bridge over here. Look, it's wheelchair accessible. That's nice. Whoa, I'm gonna have to hold on to my hat again. Whoa, it is really chilly up here. Oh my gosh. Bird alert, bird alert. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? We're bird watching. We're really zoomed in too. So we will not be walking that way. We're going right back to the parking lot. So what we've been looking at are ghost forest. Now, it doesn't say when this picture was taken, when it was here. But look at the comparison of what it looks like now. Bird notes. Bird notes. Oh my God, this is so cool. All right, let me put my glasses on. What's this person say? I've never seen anything like this. 410, beautiful beach, brown pelicans, overheard, sand, I can't read that. A group of something, I can't read that. What's this person say? We saw several sandpipers and a dead crab that we named Pomegranate. 4-6, there are beautiful birds everywhere. 4-5, saw a big yellow bird with large orange feet, like he was walking with something as a hairy elephant. A bird kept trying to teach me how to count. Very annoying. Okay. And this person listed great day for birding. Northern cardinals, 2 mourning doves, raving, red-bellied woodpecker, chickadees, blue jays, mockingbird, brown pelican. This is awesome. Many little blue herons and snowy egrets in the causeway. On the beach were sandpipers and laughing gulls. Birds everywhere. This is so incredibly neat. All right, and if you're wondering where that is located, it is located right across from from the bathrooms, which we did utilize so that we wouldn't have to walk so far when we got back to our campsite. Came from right there, shower station. As you can see, unlike the entrance we went to yesterday, this one vehicles can drive out on. See that red flag a-flying? Sea turtles really dig these dunes, and nesting shorebirds and sea turtles. Look at all the little sandpipers. A piping journey. All right. Beach access 8. Shark. Man, the ocean is angry. Okay, this is weird. Honey, this is really weird. Do y'all know why? Leash area to the right, no dogs to the left. There's like no buildings, no hotels, no nothing. This is wow, wow, wow. What is this? Look at this, I'm taking this one.
So, she is rinsing off the delicate seashells that we have acquired from the beach. It'll do that. Just give it. Yeah.
All right. So the first one you saw was this one. I love the black ones. And then as we were getting ready to leave, an oyster shell. Still got it. And now we have reached the newer section. So this is just basically a straight line of, you know, they have everything. They have the
full hookup.
Yeah, full hookup. Sewer is what I was trying to say. So it's not as kind of rustic and natural as ours. It's just a straight line. But I'm guessing what they needed was more full hookups, and this gave them an opportunity. And there's their bathhouse. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, our end has a little more character.
Yeah, our end has character. But this was obviously much needed because it was so hard to get a campsite here. And it's still hard even after adding all these. Like, this is the spot for the big rigs.
Oh, it sure is.
Because they don't have all the low-lying trees that the other side has. Now we're at the very, very outer rim. So this is still the water marshy side.
Oh, this is the same nature trail we were on.
Oh, it was. So it comes out here.
That's a long hike.
That's a very long hike. Through the jungle of bugs. Very secluded. And then this is the inner side. And soon we'll come up to where the back of the bathroom that we've been using. Yeah, this is kind of really in the woods here.
Mm-hmm.
These are definitely more private.
There's a short one with the living room tent.
Yep.
Yeah.
And that's the bathroom. Yep. I would like, if that wasn't the marshy side, that'd be a perfect one near the bathroom. But it is a lot darker back here. I can tell you that from last night.
Well, walking to the bathroom last night, I didn't realize this was back here.
Oh, I did. Well, only because the bathroom, like I could see the vehicles. Our tent survived the windy day. So it's 7:03. We're back at the site, and I can already see, oh my God, mosquitoes everywhere. We are now in the tent. We are going to finish up our dinner. I got 4 books at the bookstore today. And I didn't need to get them because I brought books with me that I needed to finish reading, which I really thought I was going to finish reading. Oh my gosh, look at them. They're so cute. And then what do I go and do? Buy more books. But I like to support independent bookstores. So his phone is charging. I don't know what he's going to do because he's normally always on his phone. What are you going to do?
I'm going to read about the campsite here so I know what to expect for the next 6 hours.
There's not a lot on that. And I'm going to read.
I'm going to be doing nothing. It's not that I have nothing to do. I'm going to be doing nothing.
See, he can just sit here and stare into space or outside, and I have issues with that. Not saying that it's not nice. I normally need to be doing something. By the way, we really love this tent. So as I sit here and read, I'm just like loving the sound of the ocean back there.
It's quite pleasant.
Yeah. And something else I noticed is that this is more a campground for not as many families. Like when we had the KOA, there was kids everywhere, there was families everywhere. It was noisier, which was fine. It gave you a different experience. But I'm realizing, like last night, I'm like, oh my gosh, you just don't hear anything. And even now, you know, occasional kid riding a bike, but it's quiet here. And it hit me that we just haven't seen a lot of kids, families.
Well, there's no swimming pool.
Exactly. That's why the KOAs are big. There is a playground, but it's far away.
It ain't anywhere close.
No, that's more for the people that come to the state park. So there's no like playground, there's no swimming pool. So there's not really kid activities here. So
I don't want to say it's kid unfriendly.
No.
But it's more adult friendly than kid friendly.
Yeah, so there's just different aspects about campgrounds. And you know, at this particular one, it's a good one for relaxing, especially here in the ocean back there. Okay, tell him good night, Tom.
Good night, Tom.
So stoked we are Got the good old party mode, okay? Soon we're on our way, yeah. And our friends sure will tag along, 'cause today